Good morning, children. You know all will were right. Both brothers uh, created a handmade aeroplane, and they were successful in uh, flying that practical aeroplane under full control. This was had happened 1903 at Kitty Hawk in the United States. So this biplane looked like a huge box kite with a homemade engine that drove two propellers by means of chain. Thereafter, you have seen uh, another one Clement Alder in France, 1890, uh, which was earlier was powered by steam, and he was also successful. But the present aeroplane was designed by Allwell Wright and Wilwell Wright. But Frank Whittle designed the first true jet engine between 1928 and 1930. But it was not used to fly jet aircraft until 1941. A German engineer, Hans von Ohain, began work on the smaller jet engine in 1936. His engine had flown a Heinkel aircraft by year 1939, and therefore during Second World War, aeroplane was used by Hitler, including fake aeroplanes without drivers, and to use bombing. So many things the engineers of German people, which was particularly contains Judas. Uh, they are claiming to be most intelligent. Whatever it may be, best wishes.